Hi, I'm Scotty from 18 Distribution. This is my bike check. I'm running the ODI Ruffian grips. ODI is one of the team sponsors. Running DXR brakes. What else have we got? Got the Star Hercules bars in raw. Star stem. Sigma computer, another one of the team sponsors. Speedline headset from one of my friends. Alias forks and 20mm front hub, another one of the co-sponsors of the team. Tioga power block 195, that's another co-sponsor of the team. Alienation deviant front rim, obviously the Star Perseus frame, 21.5 top tube in translucent blue. And we got the Alias seat and seat post. Hope seat clamp is the only size that I could find that would fit. DXR brakes obviously. And we got Snap chainring. Snap's another one of the team co-sponsors. Profile Spider, profile bottom bracket, and I'm running Gusset Woodstock cranks. They're a UK company. Time pedals. And then we've got Alias Pro rear hub, just waiting on the new US one to come out. And Alienation rim and Tioga power block tyre on the rear. Oh, and the Snap chain tensioners. And that is my bike check.